I thought I would record this video just in case things go good or in case things go bad. So I have a 2007 GMC Denali. We'll record the miles here in a minute. Sorry for it being so dirty. But one of the things that's bothered me, I didn't notice it unfortunately when I purchased it, but the oil pressure has always been fairly low. You can see it'll slowly get up to about 30-ish. I started a few minutes ago, it was a little bit higher. There we go. And after a while, it creeps down to about 20. Now, these vehicles do have an issue with the, there's like a screen, I believe, where the oil pressure sensor sits, and some suggest that that gets clogged up. If you replace that screen or the sensor, then you'll get it back up to 40 if the motor is running fine. So obviously there are some concerns with low oil pressure. You know, many different things that could cause it. So I wanted to try this to see if that helps. Thinking maybe the screen is clogged, sensor's dirty. So we'll give it a shot. I'm going to put it in there. It says to put it in, let it idle for 10-15 minutes, and go from there. So we'll see. Hopefully things go well. And there are the miles, 165,576. Well, I'm going to get a funnel just in case. All right, I think that one's big enough. What do you think? All right, it says to add entire bottle to engine oil, fill port. Idle engine for 10 to 15 minutes, then immediately drain oil. All right. All right, here goes nothing. All right, we'll come back in a few. Not that it really matters, but I thought I would throw in a picture of the oil that came out of it. This includes the cleaner in there. Mobil 1 synthetic is what I had in there before, and I'm putting in the Signature Series 5W30 by Amsoil. But nothing against the Mobil 1, but that's some dirty oil. Well, I think we may be on to something here. I started the truck up one time and the oil pressure was higher. I don't know what that means. I just know what it means now. So let me turn the camera around and show you. All right, so this will be the second startup. I ran it for about 10 seconds, then decided to go grab my phone because I wanted to show this. All right, ready? So you can see we're idling. Temperature is there. We're at 40. And higher. See if she settles back down. And it looks like it's stabilizing right there, 40. All right, so you can be the judge. I mean, clearly that is impressive. I don't know, maybe that's a bad thing. Maybe there's long-term consequences that I haven't seen yet. I'll keep you posted if for some reason the engine blows up or what have you. So yeah, not really sure what to think about it. I mean, obviously it went from, you know, right at 20 at idle all the way up to 40. So that's basically something that I've been concerned about since I bought the truck. All I put was the Amsoil engine and transmission flush, and put their did an oil change with their Signature Series oil. So yes, that stuff is expensive. Yes, it's good quality stuff. Do I need it for a truck that has 166,000 miles on it? You know, you be the judge. So, but what do you think? I mean, literally that's all I did. Put it in normal oil pressure. So I had considered to change out the oil pressure sender. I had considered changing out the screen as well. I guess it comes in a kit or something. So I don't know if you're having this issue. Now, some of the issues they say will actually read 0. Mine was never reading 0, but it was reading low. It was 20. So I will, you know, report back if something blows up after a while. Clearly, I'm not driving a lot these days, working from home. It's whatever, March of 2020. I'm going through the COVID-19. But yeah, anyways, so if anything changes, I'll let you know. But if you're having low oil pressure, definitely try that stuff out. It was maybe 12 bucks, 15 bucks. Give it a shot. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hope this works for you. Take care.